255 million rand asbestos roof removal corruption main trial has been postponed until the 4th of June, but the trial within a trial continues in the Free State High Court. Judge Phillip Loubser says that the circumstances of this case are extraordinary and has allowed the accused not to attend Moroadi Cholota's trial within a trial. Now, Loubser says that it is costly for the accused who are not taking part in Cholota's part of the trial within a trial to continue appearing in court as she is challenging her extradition process from the United States. Kamogelo Seekoei is ready to take us through the latest developments in the story. Kamogelo, of course, a very important part of the proceedings because it is to establish the lawfulness of bringing Moroadi Cholota back to South Africa to stand trial. So just talk to us about the latest developments, please.
Well, Sakina, in fact, what you are talking about now, the fact that Judge Phillip Loubser yesterday permitted the other accused to leave the court and not be part of the trial within a trial proceedings happened just before lunch yesterday when the prosecution was done leading evidence with the second state witness in this matter. He then told the others that if they want to stay during the proceedings, they are most welcome, but he had a consideration that most of them are traveling from various parts of the country and they have to fly in, they have to book hotels, and he was just essentially trying to save them because he said it was not really clear how long the trial within a trial will take place. Even the prosecution could not really confirm that after this second state witness they'll be bringing in another witness. They said that it will depend on what happens with this particular state witness. But what was interesting yesterday as the state was leading evidence with the second state witness is the fact that they told the court, the investigator told the court that when they traveled to the US to go and meet with Moroadi Cholota in 2021, their recording device was actually not working. So the state itself does not have a record of this meeting that happened between Moroadi Cholota and the two investigators who traveled to the US. This was one of the things that actually the defense, Moroadi Cholota's defense, actually questioned when they were cross-examining the state witness yesterday, because there are very many claims that Moroadi Cholota is actually claiming, the fact that she says that she was harassed by the police who went to the United States, and the fact that there were FBI agents who actually went to her house, to go and collect her. They are saying that because there isn't a recording, there won't be really a clear picture of what happened, but they really went into that cross-examination about some of the things that went there. She Moroadi Cholota's legal representative talking about the fact that there was mental torture that Cholota was subjected to when the investigators went to the United States. So it will be very interesting to hear what Ace Magashule, who's the former premier of the Free State, his legal defense will have to say or question today, as they are going to be taking as they are going to be continuing rather with the cross-examination this morning.
Well, thank you so much, Kamogelo Seekoei.